Want to save on car insurance? Here's how to set up State Farm Drive Safe and Save in 60 seconds. First, open the App Store or Google Play and search State Farm Drive Safe and Save, then tap Install. Open the app and sign in with your State Farm account, or create one if needed. Allow location and motion permissions so the app can safely track trips. This is required for scoring. Tap Start Setup and follow the on-screen prompts to pair your phone with Drive Safe and Save. Confirm your vehicle details, accept terms, then tap Begin Monitoring to start earning potential discounts. Here's a quick screen recording of a trip. Watch as the app records speed, braking, and trip time in real time. Look for green indicators for safe driving and short animations that explain each score metric. If trips aren't logging, check phone permissions, battery optimization settings, and make sure Bluetooth is on. Your driving data is used only for scoring and discounts and is stored securely by State Farm. Check your Drive Safe and Save dashboard anytime to track progress, view trip history, and see estimated savings. Ready to save? Open Drive Safe and Save now, complete setup, and start earning discounts today.